How to add your OK account on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your OK account on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines in the top corner and then click see your profile and click edit profile, and now just go down and you will find links. Click add and then click add social link and then click platform and go down, click OK, and then just type your OK username and click here and then save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.